In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cinematic text in After Effects. Type something, and make sure you have paragraph set to center text and align the text to the center. Then click the Animate button, select Blur, then click the Add button, Property, Opacity. Click Add button again, Property, Scale. Now adjust the values. Set Scale to 150, Blur to 100, and Opacity to 0. Expand the Range selector and set the offset keyframe from -100% to 100%. Then expand the advanced settings, set shape to ramp up, and ease low to 50%. Enable randomize order. Add a secondary animation to this. Deselect everything and go to Animate and select Tracking. Set tracking amount from 0 to around 10. That way the text will slowly expand. Add a background under the text layer and check the cinematic text animation. That is it for this one. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.